Next up, Carnivore for lab rat. In this, we need to collect biological samples from Hunter's Paradise. This is located all the way on the far north side of the map over here. And zooming in, we'll need to head pretty much all the way to roughly this location over here. Let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so heading into this parking lot over here, where you'll find this building. This is where we need to be for Carnivore. Zooming in, we're right over here in this white building with these overhanging sunroof things. We'll enter here and open the door. In the back, in the fridge, we should find the item that we're looking for. In the back here, in this door over here, we'll open this. We should find in the storage fridge the samples that we're looking for. We'll grab them, and now all we need to do is get back to base to hand this in. This isn't a return to lab rat with the samples, so they're not actually in your inventory. You can travel back to spawn either the slow way or the fast way for this. Returning back to base, let's go ahead and hand in these tasks. Carnivore for lab rat will complete it, and there you go. Hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.